friends, today we are going to make Oobleck. It is a magical thing. When we touch it, it feels solid, and when we pour it, it acts like liquid. So let's start. For this we are going to need cornstarch, measuring cylinder, food colors, 1 cup, and spatula. So let's start. First, we need to take the cup and cornstarch and add 8 or 7 scoops of cornstarch. Six, 7, 8 scoops are done. Now take 5 ml water in measuring cylinder and now add 2 drops of food color in the water. Now pour it into this. When I'm touching this with the spatula, it feels hard. When I try to pour it, it looks like a liquid. So friends, now try to make the Oobleck yourself and see the magic of Oobleck. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share.